I'm in Fayetteville, North Carolina. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm going to show you what the roads are like in Fayetteville. We'll go down Skybow and then we'll go down Rayford and I'll show you Cliffdale Road and a little bit of Ramsey Street. Okay, this is one of the neighborhoods here. So these are how some of the neighborhoods look. Now this is not a rural area. This is right here in the middle of the city, close to Pamela Drive. So we're going to make a right here near Pamela. All right, let's take a look. Now, I recommend already from what I see that you don't come out here and drive. It is very, very slick. Some of the roads have no ice. Some of the roads have a lot of ice depending on how many trees are in the area. All right. Come on, buddy. What are you doing? There are cars out on the road. Looks like everyone is driving very, very slow. You can see that people have their hazard lights on. Now, right now, there's a lot of slush out here on the road. It looks like there's a lot of salt and brine down. So the roads are not too slick. I don't recommend you come out here unless you absolutely have to or you're doing some sort of work or emergency work. As you can see, there is a lot of snow here. This right here is Pamela Drive. All right, you do have some cars going a little bit faster than they should. That's always a danger there, which is why you don't want to go out. Even if you do know how to drive in the ice and in the snow, there are other people out there that may be taking a little bit too many risks. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go around this car here. It's definitely some slick areas, so don't recommend, even if there are some dry areas, you never know if you're going to run into a slick patch or an icy patch, which is why it's so dangerous. Okay. Now, we've been doing heating and air conditioning work in Fayetteville for the last 20 years, and we have had to do some emergency work in these conditions. So we have a lot of experience, even in that we are not allowing our vehicles to go out on the road. So even with our experience driving in the ice and the snow, these are not good conditions here, especially if you live in a rural area or if you have to get out of your neighborhood. Some of the main areas may be treated really well, but some of the neighborhoods that have a lot of pine trees and the roads may be a little bit icier than some of the main roads. So don't recommend coming out. You can see exactly how it looks right here. This is Skybow Road. Well, we're on Pamela coming right up Skybo Road, and you can see. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up just a little bit further by Cross Creek Mall. Slow down a little bit. I'll go down Cross Creek Mall, show you Cliffdale, and then we'll just go ahead and more than likely come right back up Skybo and Pamela. Okay? I'll tell you what, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and come up Bragg Boulevard. So these are the areas that are really dangerous here when you have to make these little turns because it's shaded by a lot of trees. Okay, I'm coming up onto Bragg Boulevard now. This area isn't too bad here. Now this is what happens. See, so you can see this car here is turning in front of me. That's what typically happens, is why you shouldn't be out on the roads, because if that's not a good driver, then they'll come and they'll slam right into you. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go down Bragg Boulevard here. When you make these turns onto these main roads, that's typically where it's really slick. Okay. All right, so Bragg Boulevard is actually looking really, really bad. Okay, so Pamela, Skybo wasn't too bad. Right here on Bragg Boulevard, I would consider this to be really bad. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn right up here and go onto a side road if I can. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we are turning right onto Johnson Street, right off of Bragg Boulevard. These are the areas that can be really, really bad from my experience in doing heat repair in Fayetteville during these conditions over the years. This is what can get really, really bad, because these are these side streets that are often not treated very well. I can see there's brine on the road here. You can see the salt and brine on the road here. So the city of Fayetteville did a really good job here, even on this side street. We're going to take it incredibly, incredibly slow. Right now we're at about 10 miles an hour, and we're just letting the weight of the vehicle just kind of sit on the road. Because if you drive, if you spin the tires, you hit the accelerator, if you turn, you're going anything faster than idle, which is where we're at right now. The car is just idling. I don't have my foot on the gas or anything. Anything faster than that, you're going to slip and slide. And you're probably going to wreck. Okay? All right. So we're just letting the car idle down the road here. This is really, really bad conditions. This is worse than, we had a winter storm last year, and this is a little bit slicker. Okay? So my recommendations, at least right now, in the morning, is just go ahead and stay home. Okay, so I'm showing you this so that you don't have to. I've already seen a couple drivers out there just kind of going crazy, driving super fast. They probably don't have much experience. I saw a couple vehicles sliding because they're accelerating and they're hitting their brakes and they're thinking the vehicle will stop. So it's not going to stop if you are doing anything more than just idling at 7 to 10 miles an hour. Okay? All right, so those are the roads. Recommendation from being out just from a couple minutes, stay home.